Welcome to the Crypto Analytics Group YouTube page. Crypto Analytics Group is engaged in news analysis, crypto industry analytics, and upcoming airdrops. We are the first to know about new airdrops thanks to our informants from Europe and the USA. We do a deep analysis of crypto market movements, analyze trends and developments of popular and just gaining popularity tokens. Thanks to our large team, we are among the first to know about news that affect the market. Let's learn more about our team. My name is Maria, and I will tell and show the most important news that affect the market. We also have Tom in our team.
Hi everyone, my name is Tom, and I have been doing analytics for over 12 years.
Tom is responsible for analytics, statistics, trends, and market movements. Tom worked on Wall Street for a long time and knows everything about the markets. Jack will lead the airdrops.
Hi, my name is Jack, and yes, I will be sharing the hottest drops with you.
Aware of the most relevant drops. His best feature is that he always wants to be the first. So we met our main team members who will lead their direction. That's all for me. Don't forget to subscribe and set notifications on the channel so you don't miss our new videos. See you soon.